All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got a camera. I actually have a security system at the house already, obviously, but sometimes I want to get different cameras and things for the house. And shout out to MECO for sending over a camera. Now, this is going to replace my current door cam that I have up, and this is nice. And I agreed to review this because it has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery inside. So this is nice. Did they give me an SD card too? Oh, 32 gigs inside. Okay, yeah, it does say that on the listing. So I appreciate it. But we're going to get this open here. And again, the reason I like this is because it has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in here. And this is a pretty big, heavy camera. You got a SIM ejection tool and your mounting screw. But here's the camera itself. And I'm going to put the bracket up. It should have a bracket in here too. Yep, here's a mounting plate. This is going to be interesting because I have a front door camera right now. And I really like the front door camera is my Arlo. And I like Arlo, but the battery only lasts me a couple of weeks. So I'm hoping that this one will last longer than a couple of weeks. And it's going to be mounted up just like this out by the front door. So this will be good. I'm really hoping that this works out well for the front door cam. A strong magnet right there. If you wanted to do this plate, and I'll probably go ahead and I'll probably use this plate instead. I'm not sure yet. I'll decide. That doesn't look as strong as the Arlo because it's kind of sliding around. Nah, I think I'll probably go ahead and use this plate instead, but I'm putting it back in the box. I need to show it to you. Here's a magnetic plate, and here's the charging cable, and some Velcro also to secure it like this. When you do, if you don't want to poke holes or whatever, you can use the Velcro or the M3. I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna charge this up because I know it's gonna need charging. Here's the cable. I'm gonna charge this up. And I'm going to go ahead and use it. So there's the power button. Let's see if it's got a little juice. Nope, but there's FedEx again with something else. So we're going to get this charged up. Where's the SD card at? I don't see the SD card. Is it in here? SD card, where you at? SD card, where you at? Nope, I don't see the SD card. Well, maybe since this is a unit for review, maybe in your package you will get an SD card because the listing does say SD card. So I do have an SD card though, so I'll go ahead and grab my SD card unless it's falling out of the box somewhere, which I doubt it. But I'll get this all set up, and then I'll charge this up, and then I'll come back in a little bit, a couple hours, however long it takes this to charge, and we'll get it, show you some footage. All right, guys, welcome to the second part of this video. So the camera was like dead when I first took it out the box, so I've been letting it charge, and it's later in the evening now, so I do have it on and installed at the front door. So you can see the battery indicator there, and it has night vision. So I'll go over and turn the light off real quick so you can see what the night vision looks like. You'll still be able to see it if let's see. Oh, good. I can turn it like this. Before I turn it off, this is a light over here, and then as you can see, you can talk to a person here. You can do video if you want to record something real quick, and that's what it is. And right now it's on standard. Obviously, you can change to HD, and it'll get a little bit better. But I'm going over and turn the light off, so you can see what it looks like for the night vision. Just keep an eye on this area right here. Look at the grass and everything, and this light is going to shut off. So as you can see now, the video is in black and white. You can see the light is off. You can really see that light right there. And I'm going to have to charge this. I don't know how long this 6,000 milliamp hour battery is going to last, but it's been charging for a long time. And so I don't know if it's full or not, but this is the battery indicator. Well, it's not full. And it had like a little bar there that made it look like it was full. Then when I unplugged it, it wasn't ready yet. But I wanted to go ahead and get it up there. And I used a bracket that screws on, so you can't just take it off real easy. So there it is, man. That is the camera. The application is called Cloud Edge right there. That's the application that you'll need in order to install this. It's very simple to install, folks, and to use. The application is really simple. This is actually really, really nice. You've got two-way audio, a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in there, full HD, and 10 millimeter night vision. So that's actually really, really sweet, man. 128 degrees you saw there. The audio, I tested it. It's actually really good. And for this camera to be a 2 megapixel, it's actually doing great for a video door. I mean, for back door, whatever. It's doing really good. Yeah. So there you have it, man. It's really nice. I think it's going to be nice. The main thing is no wires, and it's rechargeable, and that's really good. Wide angle night vision. I think you have to email for the SD card, and it's waterproof. You know what I'm saying? So that card I got in the box said to email it. You know what I'm saying? But this is it, man. There it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I appreciate them sending this over. And thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.